Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and this is our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent unboxing. Welcome, everybody. I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have missed some of the beginning ones, there is a playlist you can pop on and see them right from the beginning. I hope you will go back and enjoy those. All right, so first off, let's grab us a tea bag, and I was just going to decide to just show you what my process is. That's my process right there. What do we got? Classic chamomile. Not one of my favorites. I'll tell you that right off the bat. I never have been a big fan of chamomile. Don't know why. That's okay. We're still going to enjoy it. And we're going to take that tea bag. And I've got a great big tall cup today. My Bucky Beaver cup from Texas. Those of you that live probably in the south, I know there aren't any Bucky's on the north side of the country. This is what I do every day. I take my tea bag container, and smoosh it down inside the water to get it started. Okay, now we'll just let that sit there for a moment. So classic chamomile, gentle and fragrant chamomile flowers, herbal tea. All right, and that is it. That's it, herbal tea. So we've had a couple of black teas, now we've got an herbal tea. We'll see how that goes today. How did your day go yesterday? I was very, very, very busy, so it was a good thing I did my video first thing in the morning because it would not have got done otherwise. Okay, let me show you the 12 Days of Christmas. What does she call this thing? What does she call it? 12 Days of Christmas 2025 Advent from Hoop De Hoop. I don't know if I've ever showed you this. That's the name of the company. That's what it looks like. Hoop De Hoop. And she is on Etsy, just under Hoop De Hoop. And she's got lots and lots of embroidery items if that's something you'd like to give a try. Okay, so yesterday was 4 calling birds. It was number 4. And that's it right there. That one right there on the bottom. I think I did a pretty good job on it. Not the best in the world, but I've done worse. Definitely better than number 3. My satin stitches looked much, much better. The number 4 is a little clunky, but I followed it exactly. I needed the bottom of the stitch to go down longer, but there wasn't room or you would have hit the bird. So it is what it is. Not terrible. And of course, the next one is going to be the 5 golden rings, the one we actually all know, 5 gold rings. I'm assuming we're just going to go in a circle with the gold color. That should go pretty quick. So we'll see. We will see. Yep, that's it. And then we do a blue, another satin back stitch. Honestly, I don't like the way the back stitches work on the numbers. So I'm going to do something different because I just don't like the way it looks. And that is that. So we're keeping up on this. We are definitely keeping up on this, which I was a little bit surprised about. I actually did this on my break yesterday. Sat out in the car and listened to a couple of videos and got that done, or I would not have. Okay, so where are we on our box? We are on day 7. 7 right here. Day 7. Cute. Holly berries? Is that holly berries? I think it is. I don't know. All right, what does it say? Mistletoe, of course. Mistletoe berries can shoot out their seeds like an explosion. Wow, that must be how they propagate. Is that the word? Mistletoe berries can shoot out. I'm sorry, I know I can't hold that steady enough. Like an explosion. Interesting. I tell you, I'm learning a lot of things from this that I had no idea about. Okay, see if I can get it open. I should pre-open these. Maybe I'll start doing that. I'll get the top open. I'm just trying not to tear it is the issue. And they are in there tight. There. Whew. Maybe I'll do that. I'll pull those out and I'll just kind of pre-open it, but I won't look inside. Okay. Oh, we have one skein of, oh, it's a one skein of DMC floss, but it is, it's sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You can kind of see how it's sparkling there. It's sparkly and it's not soft like regular floss. Metallic. It's a metallic. It's a sparkly metallic red. Ooh, look at the way that opens up. Isn't that pretty the way that fans out? Yeah, sparkly metallic red. Okay. So I wonder if, now I'm curious if this goes with the robin one that we got the other day. I'll have to check that pattern and see. I know, it's silly that I'm putting all of this stuff right back in, but for me, that's just, I think that's the best way I feel about keeping track of these things so they don't disappear. Okay. And I know what I'm going to do, because now I've got to open that box again, which is going to take a chance of tearing it. I'm just going to tuck that lid under, because when I put it back inside, it'll hold it closed anyway. Okay, and I want to say, is that a skunk or is that a badger? Might be a badger. Yeah, because a skunk would have the stripe down his back as well. So I think that's a badger. So let's see what he looks like. Oh, yeah, there's another one. The box right next to it has a full picture of a badger on it. It's the same little guy. All right, so that is 7. Oh, 8 is up here. Looks like a dove. So that'll be tomorrow. So yeah, I'll get that open and I'll pre-open the top so we don't have to waste time doing that. That is, oh, we didn't taste our tea. Let's taste our tea. It's very, very light, like a lot of herbal teas are. Very light color. Oh, smells like chamomile tea. Boy, this cup got hot, hot, hot. Doesn't have a whole lot of flavor at all. It's got to steep for a little while longer, I think. Yeah, it kind of tastes like leaves. Not a fan. I will drink it and I will enjoy it. So that is it for today. I am off to wrap a few presents and I have to work today. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, please subscribe, and pop this over to somebody who you think might enjoy watching it. Thank you so very much for being here, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.